Good morning, my friends. What do we got here? They're waiting on me. They're ready for their food. There's bunches of them. I counted at least 12. Oh, here comes one from the other side. I was over there by my truck and I walked underneath the tree, the couple of them, and they started dropping stuff on me. So I said, oh, I better get these guys fed before they carry me off. Let's pause it for a second and get to see how close they'll let us get. There is a couple in the tree. That's where they used to have the nest before Harvey came through and blew it down, but some years ago. What's up, guys? Oh, I see y'all made a mess of the GoPro holder there. Had to clean that up. Let's pause it and see how long it takes them to come to the feeder after I get done and get out of here. Alright, guys. Comes a dove. A bunch more over here on the fence. Let's get out of the way. Let's see how fast they come over here. Oh, those guys took off. Man, look at all the dove. Hey, you guys better find a safe place. Oh, I've never seen them up there before. Having a gathering, a morning meeting. Discuss the plan and the mobilization for the day. Oh yeah. Go ahead and pause it again, give them a couple minutes, they'll be back. Be a bunch of them on that feeder. That feeder will be turned green here before too long. Patiently waiting your turn, Dove. Oh, heard me talking about him. Hey, get along. Be nice. Bunch of them over there having a field day. Excited about something. Taking turns, that's nice. Birds everywhere this morning. Where's the migrators? Alright, dudes. Y'all have a good day. We'll catch y'all after a while. I got stuff to tend to. Eat it up. I'll fill it up again if y'all get it tore up too fast.